Good evening, folks. Here we go again with another beautiful 2005 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor from the city of Los Angeles, California. So this vehicle does have no rust on it whatsoever. Original black paint from factory. So the vehicle does have scratches and some minor scuff marks in the front and rear bumper. Once again, original paint, guys, so expect to see scratches and some chips. This vehicle has not been repainted and it stayed original black. Vehicle has been completely serviced and it is in immaculate running conditions and turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Tinted windows from the department, medium shade. Vehicle has been completely detailed, serviced, and she doesn't need anything whatsoever, guys. Once again, this is an 05 with 123,000 miles, and I'm sorry if I didn't say that at the beginning of the video, but 05 with 123,000 miles. Folks, I do have two holes on the roof of the vehicle. Decided to put one antenna there and I put a plug on the other one. Let me come this way, see if you guys can see that better. There you go. Kind of wanted to leave it like that just in case if you don't like that antenna right there, I can go ahead and remove it and put another plug, or if you need another antenna there, I can go ahead and do that too. Just let me know what you want to do and I will go ahead and take care of you. Let's continue. Vehicle does have great tires from that department. Those are the 225 60/16s by Goodyear RSAs. The wheels are nice and black. No spotlight holes, no spotlights. This vehicle was used as an unmarked unit, not a regular patrol car, so this was an unmarked unit. Folks, as you can see, scuff mark right there. Okay, front bumper, passenger side. Folks, I also have a new good set of original equipment headlights, Ford headlights. The ones that came with the car, they were kind of yellowish, so I didn't want to deal with it, so I just put one set from my inventory and I put it on the vehicle. Great running car, very intimidating coming down the street. Let's go inside here. There you go, folks. As you can see, I do have a matching interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place, carpeting floors. I am missing the floor mats. Door handles and switches are in place, and yes, guys, the rear doors are fully functional from inside of the car. I went ahead and put the door rods inside, so they are operational, so you can get out from inside of the car if you were in the rear seat. Perfect driver's side seat. So is the passenger, guys. As you can see, I do have a aftermarket center console there. I had an extra one, so I kind of put it in this vehicle. Hopefully the next owner will appreciate that. If not, I can go ahead and remove it. That's not a problem. All right, perfect dash. Let me clean this up a little bit here, guys. Perfect dash, everything works. Once again, she's turnkey ready. $123. Let me see if I can get this here. There you go, guys. 123. So let's just say 124 to round it up. Also, I do have a new use ashtray assembly. When I first got the car, there was nothing there, but I went ahead and took care of it. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Tail light works. Dome lights do work. That light remains on. Every time you open the car, that light will come on, okay? Honk works. Let's go to the trunk of the vehicle here, guys. Look at this beauty. Man. Folks, I know I've been gone for several weeks, and that's because I've been super busy fulfilling other orders, so my cars have pretty much gone elsewhere and they didn't get to make it online. Okay, here we go. I do have a full spare matching tire there. It's a 16-inch. I had to go on a mission to try to get that one to match the rest of the car. Couldn't find it. I can't find any more 16s anywhere around here. Anyway, electrical wiring is there, none up. I decided to leave that alone just in case if you are the new owner and you wanted to put wires or lighting back in the car, everything is there for you to start plugging and play. Okay, everything's there for you. Yeah, buddy, police interceptor. Let's go under the hood, guys, and I will tell you everything that was done to the car. Please stay tuned, pay attention. You're gonna want to hear this. So you can see I do have some chips there on the door and then the fender. Once again, guys, this is not a repaint. I never said this is a repaint, so please expect your vehicle to have some scratches and little door dings, no door dings, chips like that, okay? But once again, nothing major to worry about. Here are the new used headlights. They're Ford. There you go. Alright guys, as you can see, the vehicle has been completely detailed. California car, so no rust. She is a beauty. She runs like a champ. She's solid and she's very strong. Here we go, guys. Starting right to left, I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced. I do have a new Motorcraft platinum spark plugs, full synthetic, oil change, and oil filter. Transmission, guys, when I first got the car, I was lied to at the auction. Of course, sold as is, so I had to eat it. The car had a bad transmission. Of course, the auction house was very dishonest when they sold this car to me, and I paid top dollar as it is. And here we go, guys. This vehicle had a bad third gear, so the whole transmission had to be rebuilt. So I did pay the price to get that done. On top of that, I went ahead and told my transmission guy to install me an external transmission cooler on the vehicle to work with that particular transmission so that they don't share anything. It's just those two working together all the time. The best thing you can have in your Crown Victoria. It does help with performance and the revolutions on the vehicle itself. The second thing that I did to this vehicle, guys, is got a new intake manifold. Now, I know she is an 05. Most of you guys would tell me, hey, have the transmission been serviced or maybe replaced? I don't know. But for this vehicle, guys, I can tell you that the two most important vital components on this vehicle were replaced. One is that transmission has been rebuilt. Two, it's got a brand new intake manifold and thermostat. It's the whole kit, guys. I put so much money in this vehicle, I wasn't gonna let her go till she was completely ready to go. And now she's at 110%. Okay, let's continue. It's got a air conditioner was serviced, recharged. It's got a new orifice tube, new Furon. It's got a new battery. From the department, brakes are at 80%. It's got a new fan shroud module here. Belt appears to be in new condition. He's got the blue silicone fail-safe hoses. Master cylinder appears to be new. That came from the department like that. Shocks and struts appear to have been replaced by the department already, because those are the Monroe heavy duty. That's what this vehicle has, okay? Tires, they're about 95% thread, so they appear to be in semi-new conditions, once again from the department. Guys, I know the clock is ticking here, but I wanted to let you know everything that was done to this car. Am I forgetting anything? Hopefully not. The vehicle's extremely quiet, guys. I'm telling you, I put so much money in this vehicle, she's ready to go anywhere. Yes, I'm very confident she can take it to Florida and back with no issues. Just give her gas. She'll keep on going. Also, fuel filter has been replaced on this bad boy. Everything was done, guys. Everything was done. Believe me when I say that. To some of you guys, this car is not gonna be worth a penny. But to the right customer, this car is gonna be worth gold. Believe me when I say that. All right, one last final look here. I'm going on my 11th minute. Sorry guys, but I gotta cover everything for you guys. Once again, 2005 with 123,000 miles, original black, from the city of Los Angeles. This was used as an unmarked unit, not a patrol car. She is in immaculate running condition and shape. New transmission, new intake manifold, new plugs, new everything, guys. Here she is. Any questions, comments, please feel free to get a hold of me. Most of you guys out there have my cell phone number. Go ahead and call me, text me if you are interested in buying this bad boy. Once again, this is the Crown Victoria, guys, signing off. You guys have yourself a great week, great weekend, and a very happy 4th of July. Stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Take care.